Today we will be learning a simple and helpful string function. The left, right, and mid functions. These functions enable us to select the number of values we wish to find. In our spreadsheet example, we will be sending mails to Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Larry Page and Tim Cook. We will also include added information of their register mail, contact number and address. Without further ado, let us get started. First, let us learn the left function by counting the first two values from the registered mail to our product code. Select cell F4, type in equal, left, open parentheses. Select cell B4, comma, space and type in 2. Close parentheses and hit return. We will get SG. A total of 2 characters count. Next, let us quickly auto-fill the rest of the product code. Second, we will learn the right function by counting the last 5 values from the address to our postage code. Select cell G4, type in equal, right, open parentheses. Select cell E4, comma, space and type in 5. Close parentheses and hit return. We will get 94,304, the postage code for Tesla. Next, I will do a quick autofill for the rest of the postage code. Lastly, we will learn the mid function. It is slightly different from the left and right functions. No worries, we will be guiding you through the steps. Select H4. Type in equal, mid, open parentheses. Select cell D4, comma, space and type 5. The 5 tells Excel the number of times it must ignore before its first count, comma, space and type 3. The 3 represent the number of values we wish to count. As United States area code have only 3 digits. Hence, we will use 3 in this case. Close parentheses and hit return. Finally, we will find the rest of the area codes. There you have it, the left, right and mid functions for Excel. If you have any Excel formula you want us to teach, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification to have more free Excel function tutorials. But before you go, we have a bonus clip for you. I will be turning this Excel spreadsheet into an API. Stay tuned to see how the magic works. I will be using AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in to turn this left function Excel into an API. To do this, I will need AlchemyJ Excel installed and with a preset of rules. I will select Generate API and click on Generate API. The file is now converting. Okay, your API is ready. I will now launch this open API that AlchemyJ generates. I will expand this tab and select Try It Out. I will input SG001 rocket and select Execute. Let us check if our left function are working correctly and we are getting SG. Awesome, we got it. AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in turns your Excel business model into API. This way, you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in for free at alchemyj.io. And once again, thank you for watching. So which Excel function you wish to be converted into an API? Let us know in the comments section below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification. See you soon.